Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Giphy to Slack. Want to add some fun to your Slack messages? With Giphy, you can send animated GIFs right into your conversations with a single command. Now in this video tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install and use Giphy in Slack. Now let's have some fun by following these few simple steps. The first step is to open Slack in a web browser. Now I'm gonna go to slack.com and choose a web browser. For this tutorial, I'm using Chrome. Now in the search bar, type in slack.com/apps and this website will appear. Now from here, look for the search bar and type in Giphy. Like this. And select it from the options here. And once the Giphy page appears, make sure you click on Add to Slack. It will be added here. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, the green button says Add to Slack. You're gonna click on it. Now make sure you signed in using your account's credentials. After you add the Giphy integration to your Slack account, the second step is to use Giphy in a chat. Now, once you authorize the integration in Slack, in any Slack message box, just type in /Giphy and say the word that defines the GIF you want and the subject of the GIF. For example, let's see here. No, I didn't install the app yet, but I'm gonna write the command that summons the Giphy. For example, write slash like this, Giphy. And you're gonna write a word that describes the GIF here, and a random GIF will appear. And you're gonna click send to confirm or shuffle to try another one. Now remember, workspace admins can limit Giphy usage or change its rating from G to PG, etc. And that's it. Giphy is now part of your Slack, bringing your message to life with fun or expressive GIFs. You can also use /Giphy help to see more Giphy options inside Slack. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.